Okay, Heinz is considering launching a new spicy flavored ketchup, and we're to assess the financial situation, total contribution to overhead under two different scenarios, a launch and a no launch over 4 years. So let's start with no product launch scenario. So if we don't go ahead and launch spicy ketchup, this is the sales that we're going to enjoy over 4 years. So if we tally that up, we get 4.45 million units. So no new product launch scenario is 4.45 million times a unit contribution of $1.45 for a total contribution of 6,452,500 total contribution to overhead under the no launch scenario. Let's go to the next slide and do a product launch scenario with the spicy ketchup. So again, what we're dealing with here is a lower unit contribution for spicy and some cannibalization. So when you're cannibalizing your existing product with a product that yields a lower unit margin, it's useful to take a look to see what the impact is for your total contribution. So we're going to go 4 years out for new product launch scenario. So let's take a look first at our regular sales. So we've got some cannibalization here. What you need to do to figure out how much your unit sales are going to go down is just, again, multiply your cannibalization rate by the sales of your spicy ketchup. So when we multiply 450,000 by 25%, we see that we're going to get a reduction in units on our regular sales of 112,500. So your cannibalization rate is the degree to which your new product is stealing sales from your old product, and it's stealing sales at 25%. So we're going to subtract 112,500 from our original projected unit sales of our regular ketchup. In this case here, we've got a cannibalization rate that's going down a little bit, so we see 20% cannibalization rate in year 2 for a reduction in unit sales of 110,000. Here, cannibalization rate of 15% gives you a reduction of 97,500. And here, a cannibalization rate gives you a reduction of 100,750 units from year 4. So this now becomes the units that you're going to sell of your regular ketchup at a unit contribution of $1.45. So let's do that math here. So again, I'm just subtracting 112,500 from my 1 million to get 887,500 units at a unit contribution of $1.45 for 1,286,875 in total contribution. Here, same thing here, 990,000 units, 110,000 taken away from 1.1 million. Again, times the same unit contribution of $1.45 gives us contribution in year 2 of 1,435,000. Year 3, our units are 1,052,500 times our unit contribution of $1.45 for 1,526,125. Year 4, 1,099,250 contribution at the unit level of $1.35, 1,593,913. Okay, now down to spicy. This is easy because we're given our sales projection in this column here. So I'm bringing my units down, and my contribution at the unit level is given to me at $1.25. So it's just a matter of multiplying all of our units by $1.25. All of these units by $1.25. And we'll just bring those numbers. I'm just going to jot them down for you. 562,500, 687,500, 812,500, and 968,750. Okay, now it's a matter of taking all of these numbers and adding them together for your total contribution under a new product launch scenario of 8,873,663, compared to, if you'll recall, just shy of 6.5 million in total contribution had you decided not to launch the spicy ketchup.